Buddy, we need your help to save Christmas. There's a maple syrup shortage, and the elves aren't getting the proper nutrition they need to make all the toys. I need you to go visit a magical place called UNR and go to the College of Science to learn the makeup of maple syrup.
You can count on me, Santa. So, I started my journey to become a scientist and learn how to make maple syrup. First, I traveled through the 7 levels of the Nevada desert, across Lake Tahoe, and then I ran through the UNR Honor Court. I studied relentlessly to find the chemical makeup of maple syrup in order to make the world's best maple syrup.
How's college, buddy?
It's going great. I got a whole 40 minutes of sleep last night. Finally, I've made the world's best maple syrup.
Congratulations, buddy. You saved Christmas.